Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing another Yoins haul. You guys loved the last one, so I decided why not do another one. And this one I got even juicier pieces than the last time. So I'm very excited for this one. I got so many cute graphic tees, I got so many cute dresses, so many sets. And this package actually only got to me in, I think, a week or so, like less than a week even. And that's crazy. I'll be linking everything down below so you guys can check them out, even with the code and all that stuff. I got you guys. This is just a chain type little top. It fits beautifully. It's gorgeous. It looks like it would be like diamonds, but it's really just like the reflection off of like the chain. Guys, just shut the duck up. Get a freaking load of this set right here. I've got to go. Here's a little like 360 of everything. This looks way too good. What the actual duck? Okay, so it comes with like these strings right here where you can make the top smaller or bigger. This looks absolutely freaking crazy. Like, this is such a universal piece. Like, I can picture myself like wearing this at like a very fancy dinner. I can even like dress it down with some sneakers instead of heels. This is like a staple piece. Like, it just looks good with everything. And the skirt also, you can roll it up. It's actually like pretty long. It goes all the way kind of like down it like an inch above my knees. I like my skirts to be smaller just because I'm very short, and also the sides do have like this like scrunchy material, so it's actually going to be very flattering. I was wearing a waist trainer, y'all, so don't even mind me. I'm just like creased up from my waist trainer, but this is super cute. This is the next one. Gives me like polo lounge, Beverly Hills polo lounge type vibes, or like a tennis vibe, golf course girl. It's just giving everything that it's supposed to give. I think this also came in blue, but this pink just really called my name. I love pink. Oh my gosh, this freaking dress. Okay, there's one thing about this though that I do wish about this dress, and also the last one that I showed you guys. I'm pretty sure I can shrink the last one because of like its cotton material, but I feel like in the waist it could be, you know, it could be a little bit tighter because I do like my clothes to be very form-fitting, more like this. But it does give like a lot of loose material here, so that's one thing. And then also I do see right here that my boobs are like coming down from here, so that's one thing. This dress is definitely for girls with smaller boobies, but this, you know, we can figure it out. It can work. It's cute. I really like the color. The materials are really pretty, and it's very soft. It's actually like very light, so I feel like you can breathe in it. Like, if I was to go to the club in this, I would still feel good. I wouldn't feel like all constricted and gross. This dress is definitely giving me like Miami vibes. I can definitely see myself like doing a cute little like late dinner in this. I would say like an 8 out of 10 because everything else is perfect except the fact that this is like so loose on me. But that's like one of my things. Like, I always have to be tight or else I get like, ugh. This is a brown little set. I actually have another piece similar to this. I think it's just like in black, if I'm not mistaken, but this one's in brown. I feel like brown is very pretty on all skin tones, and it's just like very neutral and pretty. It's such a nice color, and I like how it has like this V cut here, and then it has this cotton material because I love myself with cotton material because they do shrink if they're a little too big, which is what it feels like. All these things that I got are actually in a size small. There is like some extra loose material here just because you know, it doesn't fit completely form-fitting. It fits nice. I like to roll mine up a little because I said like I'm short. There's so many ways that you can go about all these outfits that I'm showing you guys. You can either wear all of them with sneakers and it's casual. You can wear it to like a brunch, or you can put on some heels. They're all very like convertible. You can wear them to really anything. So this is really adorable. This one says, "Never underestimate the power of a woman." And they do also have this in like a color blocked, like yellow, blue, and red. I think it is like different shoulder colored, and they also have it in like red and black. I think they have so many different options, but I thought the red on red was just like super cute. I love this. I really like how tight it fits. It's like very snug. This is also in size small. I do like to get my tops in a size extra small sometimes. Very cute. I just think it's everything. It fits so well. This is the back. It's all way too cute. I'm gonna definitely wear this with like some oversized like mom jeans, and like maybe even do like little sticking out bikini bottoms. Okay, this top is all stretchy and like cotton material, like thick cotton material, but this looks like a whole like corset. Look at this. So the lining here looks like it's gonna be a corset. The shape looks like it's gonna be a corset, but then you get like these stretchy, this like whole stretchy material. It holds your girls up. So if you have a big girlies, this is gonna make your boobs look like they're sitting nice. And let me just tell you, they're sitting nice. They're sitting real nice. So this is what it looks like from the back. cute. The color is very pretty. I think that this is probably the best quality top besides the chain one that I showed you guys earlier. Out of all of them so far, this one fits really freaking nice. Wow, okay, let's go. This package so far is like, I would give it like a strong 8.5 out of 10. Okay, I don't know how I forgot to mention this, but the inside is furry. It would keep you warm the whole time. So nice. All right, next little top, we have a zebra moment. Very cute. I love this O-ring. O-rings also are very, very popular this summer, as well as like dramatic cutouts, which I'm living for. I love myself a cute little cutout moment, but this is really cute. It really just like made the whole thing. But also this is like a tie halter top. It's this top for me. This top is so cute. I love the message. It says, the world has bigger problems than boys kissing boys and girls kissing girls. And I think that's just freaking iconic. So I cannot wait to wear this on my Instagram. I'm definitely gonna wear this with like some oversized jeans, or I can even wear it with like a white little skirt, make it girly. I could even do like a little crisscross moment if I wanted to, but I really like just this. This is definitely gonna be like my go-to lounging top for sure. Brunch top, dinner top. I'm gonna wear it literally everywhere that I can. I mean, love is love, and that's what it is. That's all it is. I love this top. I love it so much. I think I just came up with an outfit. Okay, I'm already wearing this brown little skirt to wear to show you guys the tops that I got. But this, with this top that I got, this top reminds me of Burberry, so I need to snatch it up. And it has a tie here too, where you guys can untie it, whatever, it doesn't matter. But it's so cute. Like, this material is very soft. One thing that I've noticed about Yoins is that all of the material that they have are pretty much like 9.5 out of 10 of times. Very super soft, very pretty. And this is a whole outfit like this with like some gold jewelry and like a black little bag. It is so cute. Also guys, look at my tan that I got. It's nothing too huge, but look at this top. It says thanks with the little Bratz halo on top. If you guys know me, you know I'm freaking excited. I love anything that has to do with like gems, crystals, shiny things, and then on top of that, Bratz. This is giving me all my 90s, 2000s nostalgia that I needed in my life. Oh my gosh. How many of you guys played that Bratz doll game where like you would change them? I don't really remember how it went, but all I know is that you would be like in changing rooms and you would like change their different outfits. And it was like, I don't know, there's like this one specific site where you would play it, and I really hope that they have it somewhere because I've been itching to play that game. I just don't know what it's called. And it's making me so angry lately. And like Polly Pocket, oh, that was such a good one. Oh, such nostalgia. We love it here. These were trending back a while ago, but I just like never actually wore them in public because these would be for me more like a lounging pant, because I wouldn't dare. Like, I just feel like that's, I don't know, it's just like so vulgar for me, but I just think that it is so funny to like just have like as a lounging pant, or if you guys are bold, bring these out. I mean, go ahead, go off. But they're super comfy. They're a cotton material, very stretchy up top. These are actually a size medium because I did want them a little bit looser, but even a small, I can tell that it would be very stretchy as well. So these are very cute. And they also do have a drawstring inside, so you can tighten them and give yourself a little bit of shape too. Second to last piece, this is so pretty. This also looks like a very pricey boutique dress. I can also tighten this up so it does make the middle kind of like ruche up a little bit, and I really, really like that. But it looks really pretty and it really accentuates the curve since it is so tight. I was not expecting this dress to look so insanely good. This is like super, super form-fitting. It fits so freaking well. This isn't see-through, but I do need like a sticky under it. Oh, this is so good. And then it also has like this shiny crystal belt. It only goes halfway, so it doesn't come up to the back, but this is what the back looks like, and it makes your body look insane. Like, it really makes your body look crazy. Oh my gosh, yep, this is like the top 3 dresses that I got in this collection. And now for my very last piece, this is like a cherub angel little mini top, and this is how it fits. It's very similar to the very first like graphic tee that I showed you guys. They all just fit very form-fitting. They're baby tees. They all fit super, super cute and pretty, but this is such a pretty little picture. Ever since I was a little girl, I've always loved like pictures of angels. This just brings back some very good childhood memories and I really love it. So that is all for today's haul, y'all. Let me know in the comments down below which outfits were your favorites. Do remember that I have plenty of discount codes down below and I do have everything linked, so make sure to go check that out. If you guys would like some more like cute on a budget videos like this, then let me know and I'll continue to do them, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.